Today I'm here to talk about the software testing topic. The topic is very important for every software developer and everyone should know about the software testing. What is the importance of software testing? So today I'm here to talk about the software testing and its type and its definition and how the softwares are tested and what is the use of the testing, what is the importance of the testing. Everything should be covered through this video. So this is a small video, so I think this video will be very useful for you. Every developer should know about what is software testing and what are its use. It is very important to test a software or we before the software that we made reaches into the end user. Before it reaches to the end user, the software must be tested very well, and we have to ensure that the software is efficient and convenient for the user. Otherwise it will be a very disaster. So the definition of the software testing is the testing of software that whether it is efficient or not, and the testing of the software for some conditions like reusability, readability, reliability, how our software long lasting, or is it bug free or not, reusability of the software, readability of the software, and these all are tested through the software testing. So I hope you understand what is software testing, and this is very important topic because our software application that we made uh, must be very efficient and convenient, and it must have a very good user interface that user can interact with, and their all requirements should be covered in that software application. Otherwise the software deployment will become a disaster. So the software testing, there are some types of software testing. There are too many types. There are two types of software testing. That they are automated testing and manual testing. The automated testing means the testing the software using some automatic tools or programming languages to test the software. So every time we cannot test with automated testing, so because we will find the bugs or defects of the software when it when a user uses it in many devices, or in different devices, or when users uses it, and their feeling, our efficiency of our software is depends upon their feeling or their experience when they use our applications. So the software testing engineer will be manually tested a software as per the uh, he will be in the perspective of the user. So that is the manual testing. So the software engineer or the software testing engineer will test our application uh, in the perspective of user, and he will send back if there are any some bugs, and and developer will fix that, and after that the 100% of the bugs free or defects we will deploy an application. Even if we tested the application, there will be some problems with our application. At that time we will be updated, the developers will be updated. So these are two types of software testing. One is automated testing using programming languages or using some tools for software testing, and the manual testing by the software testing engineers, like the developer sends the application to this first to the testing engineer, and he will test that in different conditions like reusability, readability, efficiency, and many other things and many other conditions, uh, and he will be tested that, and after it can specify it uh, after it after the result after the testing, he ensures that our software is efficient or not, and after that we will deploy or update as per the result of the test. So that is called software testing. So there are three types of software testing in manual testing. They are gray box testing, and white box testing and black box testing. So let's discuss about the white box testing. It is the testing of develop, developer testing the software while he develops it, and he tests the software through every single line of the code. So that is, in at that time the code is visible to the developer. So that's why it's called white box testing, white box software testing. And the another type of the software testing is black box testing. So the black box testing means when a software testing engineer tests the software, and uh, he 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 will test from the perspective of the user, and he will not see the code, and he will test only if our application works perfectly or efficiently in different conditions, and every functionalities, he will check the every functionalities working or not correctly. He will not check the code, and he will not check the code, but he tries he tries to find if all the requirement of the user is covered or not. So that such testing is called black box software testing. At that time the code will not be visible for the tester, so that's why it's called black box testing. And the another testing type is gray box testing. If a software tester that he knows both code and development and testing, at that time the code and the software will be visible, both will be visible for the software testing engineer. So such engineers will test all the codes and the software functionalities both together. So that's why it's called gray box testing. So these all about the definition and importance and types of the software testing. So every developer should know a basic knowledge about the software testing, and it is very important in the field of software engineering. So that's what I that's a small portion of the software engineering, and it is a wide topic to study. So you can refer that to websites and or many other YouTube channels to study about it. So this is all about I want to say through this video. So thank you for watching me.